Hello and welcome in this new video. Today we're going to solve the case from the South African challenge called Rugby, I think, which was the first case of this year competition for FNWC South Africa. As usual, we'll try to do this in a 30 minutes allocation to simulate the competition conditions. Okay, let's go into it. So, the Rugby World Cup is upon in September this year. Okay, premise here is that the button is pressed. The button press first allocates the team number and then the kind of points scored in the match. Half time is also indicated by a pipe symbol. The committee created 100 test cases. Okay, so events. Team scores a try and converts it. Okay, I don't know nothing around about the rugby, but let's go probably straight into the questions. Which team scored first in each match? Make sure your answer is the team name, country, and not the number. So we have the score events. Probably the number is the team, and then you have the symbol with the type of event that has been done by the team. So in this case, probably it is as simple as taking um, the first number on the left, and then basically concatenating the team name. But actually, the team name is here, so it's basically an if left of this equals 1, then we have this, otherwise we have this. Okay, we have 783 as a level code. 783. So there's something wrong actually. I'm always taking the second one because I need to convert this in a number. Okay, 738, which is right. Okay, how many tries were scored in each of the matches below? Not a try with the conversion TC is also considered a try here. So basically, I need to count how many T's and how many TC's I have in this. As usual, let's build our solver worksheet. We have example 2. Then, as usual, we're going to XLOOKUP in our column B. And I'm interested in all of these because I also need the team names. Actually, no, I didn't need the team names, but it's the same thing. I'm just going to ignore them. Okay, so I'm going to text split basically based on comma and also based on the pipe. I don't know if this way to do it is correct. Nope, because I'm basically losing that pipe 1p symbol. Uh, Probably the easier thing here would be to have, I don't know actually. I don't know how to manage this properly. Let's say that I'm going to split this based on pipe first, like this, and I have two strings, and then I'm going to say I want to text split this, and I want to text split also this v stacked. So I'm basically yeah, I need to text split again. I'm basically saying one below the other by text splitting on the comma. Actually, comma space would be better, and that's okay. And then I can just say left of this, and that's it. Minus minus in order to have the number. And then we have to substitute this with nothing. Okay, and we have the resulting array. Also going to substitute this with the semicolon with nothing in order to remove the last one. And then I need to see how many T's and TC's, right? Okay, so T and TC, if this equals this is 1, otherwise it's 0. Lock, lock. Okay, we have T, what you see here, T, and that's fine, I think. And I just need to sum them, building the usual sequence of 100, and build the table. Actually, something is going wrong here, so 11. Okay, I just need to throw an if error will be 0. What is wrong here? Okay, and I will probably need to drag a little bit down in case I have longer strings. This should be, I hope, enough. So 11 to 20 will be this actually. So 24 as my level code, and that's right. Okay, so now let's look at all the points scored. What were the total point scores in each of these matches for both teams? For both teams. So in this case, I just need to X look up this, I think. So symbols and points. Just going to say X lookup of this in symbols, points, and put an if error. Just needed 0 actually, because the X lookup already managed the. Actually, no. Okay, it manages the not found, not the if error, so I'm going to put this. And then I just need to say I'm interested in the sum of this thing. And case is 21 to 40. Let's just see if example 34 works because it's quite long. Yes. And I said 21 to 40. Level code is 842, and 842 is right. Now level 4, which team won the match, scored the most points in total? I think that's as easy as saying sum ifs this lock with this lock equals this lock the row, and then like this 32 46 78, that's fine. And I need to output the team name. So if this greater than this, it will be this one. Otherwise, this greater than this, it will be this one. Otherwise, it's a draw. And so this will be my result. Let's see, example 4, we have a draw, which is correct, 41 to 70. Level code 22900, and it's actually right. What is the final score for the games below? Okay, so now I need to basically concat the two scores that I already built. So example 5, I will just need to say text join, uh, which is more comfortable than using the concat. It will be this, and it will be 71 to 100. Level code is 395650. 395650 is correct. Okay, so the standard questions are done. Let's see the bonus ones. How many drop goals were scored over all the 100 matches, excluding examples? So drop goal is actually a D. Um, What if I just do this? So my D is working fine. I want to see this. I'm going to put this into the data table, build it again. Okay, and sum this 78. Hopefully this is correct. Yes, it is. How many games were won after the winning team was behind after the first half? Okay, that's interesting. What was the highest number of points scored in the second half for any team in all 100 matches below? So I need to manage the split between the first half and the second half actually, but I actually have built a single array containing the results for the first half and the second half. So what I'm going to say is text split. I want to divide basically the first half and the second half of text before this. Delimiter is the pipe, and the row delimiter is comma space, and that's basically the first half. I'm going to build this. I'm going to build this, and that will be the score after the first half. I mean, the total points scored. Uh, and I also want the second half, which is actually like this. This time is text after, same thing. And I probably just need this. Okay. So team 1, team 2, team 1 and team 2. This will be the sum ifs of this. Lock the rows. Criteria range will be this rows locked equals this with no lock actually. 228. Okay, makes sense. 7, 10, 13. Okay, and then this should be fine. So 5, 7, 12, 15. Okay. So how many games were won after the winning team was behind after the first half? After the winning team was behind the first half. And I also need the total, I think. That it will be this. So if and this greater than this, uh, this less than this, one otherwise zero, otherwise if and this greater than this, and this was less than this, one otherwise zero. So I'm going to sum those. So in this case, basically the winning team, which is team basically one, was uh, was winning in the first half. So it's not an example. Let's take for example 4. This case, team one was winning, and it also wins at the end. In this case, 17-17, so not behind, so it's not counted. Example 2, team 1 was behind, and then he wins the game actually. So team 1 was 3 and team 2 was 17. Then team 1 goes to 25 and team 2 to 20, so this is counted actually. They want to know all the games, hopefully not also the examples. It's not specified, but let's take this. I'm going to build the data table again. 13 it might be. Actually, no, 18 is the correct answer. The team was behind. Against one after the winning team was behind after the first half. Mm, 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 mm. So we have in this case team 1 beats team 2 and the result in the first half is less, so it was behind. And in this case team 2 beats team 1 and team 2 was behind after the first half. Actually, I don't know. Mm, 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 mm. Team was behind after the first half. The draws are not to be considered, I think. Was behind. So they're not considered here and also here because if it was a draw, I was not behind. I don't know, actually. Let's go to bonus 3. What was the highest number of points scored in the second half for any team in all one of the matches below? So it will be the max of this. And I basically need to add this as well. So it is this one. Let's build the data table again. And I want a max of this. 37, and that's right. So I'm pretty not satisfied with this result actually. The guys were won after the winning team was behind after the first half. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so the draws are not considered. Actually, something weird is going on here because I'm not subtracting the semicolon as I did previously. So I'm just going to remove it just in case. Okay, I was actually losing that bit of information. So let's see if this was the problem. Actually, yes, it is because we have 18, which I think is the correct answer. So it was a really simple but also silly mistake. Okay, I think we have the full score, so I'm pretty satisfied now. Thanks everyone for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.